guys, I wanted to give you a little update on the little frog. So I did a little bit of work on it yesterday. I'm liking the way it's turning out, but there's one thing that just has been annoying me, and I think it's the eyes are in the wrong position. I think they need to be up a little bit further. So I have a pair of penguin eyes here that I'll use as an example. So the eyes are there at the moment, but I think they would look better if they were sort of a bit closer. And drop the eyes. So I think they'd look better if they were a bit closer. Maybe it's not a whole lot closer, but I don't know how I'm going to do this with you seeing it. It's not a whole lot closer. This is the worst example ever, but I think it just needs to be a tiny bit closer because yeah, my reference images sort of thing, it looks like the eyes are just a little bit closer than what they are in here, and it's just not looking proportionate. I think it looks really cute from the front, but proportionate, I think the eyes are just a little bit too back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slice it off with a blade. So this nub of a blade. So I'm gonna slice it off, and then I'm just going to move it up a little bit. So it shouldn't be too difficult to do. I shouldn't lose too much detail or anything. But I'll record it in the sculpting video. But yeah, I'm just not happy with where the eyes are sitting. They're just too far back in my opinion. And it's only like maybe a centimetre or so that it needs to move forward. So yeah, I think I'll do that. It's just kind of annoying me a little bit. And I added a bit more of a chin here, which I think looks good. So I'm basing it off an Australian green tree frog, basically. So I plan to do some resin casts and stuff of this one and sell some blanks, hopefully. I'm bleeding from somewhere. Always. So yeah, he's not too far off. Yeah, I just have to fix that one because I'm not really happy with the way that's looking. It's doing my head in. But yeah, not a huge fix, but I'll get onto it maybe today. Today I'm going to sculpt, hopefully I'm going to sculpt the king penguin chick. So I have my internal ready, my aluminium foil, or as Americans call it, aluminum. And I have the eyes ready to go as well, and my pack of Sculpey. So that's all ready to go. And then I'll be able to bake the ferret and bake the king penguin at the same time. I would like to get this wolf put together today as well. I've sewed up the body, but yeah, that's what it looks like. I still need to turn it the right way around, but yeah, I ordered some more fabric. It's like I said before, it's a click and collect, but I ordered it yesterday for the black flying fox, because I've got the body ready to go, so it'll look like that also. So it'll be a black one this time. So everything's ready to go for that one, and it's just waiting on the fabric for the wings. So it usually takes 2 days or something for the click and collect to be ready, which I don't know why it would take so long, but whatever. So just waiting for that to be ready to be picked up. It's really annoying that I can't just go there and pick it out myself because I don't really know what the fabric looks like. It's really annoying. Yeah, so I did 2 more watercolors, but I'll update you at the end of the vlog on what they are. You may have seen a picture on Instagram of one of them, but the watercolor packs are finished. I just have to edit some product videos and put what do you call it, product pictures, and put them on my website. And yeah, anyway, that'll do for the updates. I'll update more at the end of the video. Gonna end the vlog for today, but I can give you a little update on what I got done. What should I start with? I'm not sure whether you've seen that I've painted the Flying Fox, the second one, fully black. I picked up the Click and Collect fabric, but I'm not sure, it's the wrong bloody fabric, and I'm not sure. I'll give it a go and see what it looks like, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be happy with that. So, and our retail stores still aren't open here, which is a pain, a real pain. But I spent a fair bit of time sculpting another piece for the zoo, for my zoo orders. So I've got a king penguin chick here. Something completely different that I sculpted before. So it's a different sort of process, but the whole sculpting will be on my YouTube anyway. So I still have to bake it. And then, yeah, still waiting for all the faux fur to arrive, and then I can start putting it all together. So yeah, and I sort of left it a little bit thinner on the top because I'm going to be adding a lot of faux fur to the head, so I didn't want to make it too big. So that's something to keep in mind. I always sort of try and base it on skull shape, I guess. But yeah, turned out pretty cool. So I've got two heads sculpted so far. I still need to bake them, so I might put them in the oven this week and start painting them up, I guess. There's no point in them sitting around any longer. So yeah, I wanted to make two to be able to put in the oven anyway. But yeah, pretty happy with that one. What else? I did a little bit of sculpting on the frog because it was really annoying me that the face wasn't sitting right, but so I changed it a little bit. It's still a lot of refining to do, but I think I'm pretty happy with the way the head's turned out at the moment. So I might just settle for that one. So what I changed was a little bit here. I carved that out. I also lowered the eyes a bit more, so I made them lower and a little bit this way, and I also made these little indentations a little bit different. I mean, they're not exactly the same on both sides, so I'll need to do a little bit more refining there. Added the little stripes, well, the edging, I guess, here, and I made the front of that a little bit longer. So, and I also carved under here a little bit more to give it a bit more definition. So yeah, pretty happy with the way it's looking now, I think. So yeah, I think I can just start cleaning it up and adding the details to it as well. So pretty cute, fits in your hand. So yeah, I want to do two types of different things for this, so like realistic ones and maybe fantasy ones, depending how the mold goes. But yeah, turning out pretty cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The next doll that I think I'm going to be sculpting, not too sure just yet. So I've still got the prairie dog to sculpt. I've still got the bongos to sculpt. Maybe I'll start working on the bongos. And the Sitatunga, still got that to sculpt. And also the antlers for the bongo as well. So I still got 4 things to sculpt. I've also need to sculpt the feet for the penguin, and maybe cast the feet for the ferret as well. So we're getting there, putting a dent in it. But I'm thinking maybe the bongo. I'm not sure, undecided. Bongo or prairie dog, I think. Maybe a bongo, because then it would be like, I could do a bongo and then the prairie dog and then another bongo, so there's like a little bit of a break in between, so I'm not sculpting the same thing twice, because sometimes when you sculpt it twice, it sort of, you get sick of it, and it turns out different anyway, so there might be like this weird comparison thing going on, I don't know. I plan to put up my watercolor packs maybe next week. I'm going to do the flying fox. I still need to edit the photos for that and package it to put it in the box to send. So that flying fox will come up on Friday, YouTube channel. And then there'll be a Patreon video as well of making the wings. So that'll go up at some point, and or next in October, September, October. Yeah, it'll go up in October. Yeah, I think that's about it for this week. Yeah, thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. There's lots of new things coming up as well, lots of whip pictures as well. So if you want to join, you can find the link in the description down below. Or you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and more shop at creaturesofnat.com, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.